Hi friends, welcome back. I have some new marketing minutes for you. I felt that this one would be super helpful if I walked you through a Canva tutorial. So after I film this little intro, then I'm gonna move into the section where I show you guys how to make a quick digital business card, because sometimes I think that we get so excited to post our beautiful art, but we miss some really crucial parts about turning those pictures into more business. So as always, thank you for joining me. I hope you're enjoying these marketing minutes. If you want to learn more about Canva, if you want to learn more about marketing as it pertains to the face and body art industry, I have a whole series on Canva TV, Creative Boss Part 1, 2, and 3. So if you're a subscriber, you can log in, download the ebooks. I put a lot of effort into helping you guys understand how to use Canva and Hootsuite and products like that, just to kind of give you guys the push, because a new week means a new opportunity to build your business, to invest, to grow. And then if you want even more than that, you got to come and meet me or beat me at Fabic. May 2019, I'm teaching Creative Boss classes. I will be there. I can host a jam for people who want to learn more about Canva. So please join me. And as always, thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see, subscribe. If you love me and want to see more, just head on over to favatv.com and visit my channel for lots more learning. All right, let's get started. Little Canva tutorial. So this is canva.com. It's a free program you can use to create millions of different designs. As you can see, I use it to put your name on your pictures. I use it to make ads. I use it even to make contracts sometimes. So it is a fantastic program. There's millions of tutorials on how to use it, but I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy digital business card. Okay? So all you're going to do is go to canva.com, and then you're going to go to create a design. It's going to pull you up on this page. And the great part about Canva is that it gives you tons of preset graphics. So if you're just going to be posting on Facebook or Instagram, you can choose the social media function right here. It already lays it out for you. So I'm going to click on it, and it pulls up the perfect square. The beautiful part about Canva is there's also all these amazing layouts, right? So if you're feeling not creative, or until you get really comfortable on how to use Canva, then use one of these. Most of them are free. Now, the other beautiful part about Canva is that you'll see most of these say free, but the ones that cost money are $1. So that's even cooler. So it's affordable, it's awesome, and it's my favorite program to use. So what I'm going to do is first bring in a picture that I want to use to make either a thank you note or a digital business card. And I'm going to just import this one that I just had a minute ago. So this is a picture from the weekend. I really liked it. I thought the little girl was beautiful. You can use it again to make a business, not a business card, a digital business card, but you can also use it to send a thank you note. So once you have the picture, you just click on it. And then to stretch this picture out so that it reaches all the corners, if that's the design aspect you're going for, you just click on it, and it's going to give you this little kind of arrow. And I'm going to pull it to each corner to make it bigger, and to make this image fit the whole screen. So there we go, right? So now, when you hand out a business card, what is the purpose? You want people to have your information to book you. So often I see people just post pictures from their cell phone, but they forget to add the most important information, like where to find you. So in my folders here, I have a whole folder of logos, okay? It helps me find things. Now, some things got jumbled over the years. That's okay, too. But I'm going to go to the company I was working for, which was All Star Events. And I'm going to just shrink that down, because clearly you don't want to cover their face. That's not the purpose of it. And I'm going to put it down here. Now, as you can tell, it's kind of hard to see against her background. So you have a couple of choices. You can put it in the corner like this and make it smaller. And you can add your phone number right there. Or, since I'm going to turn this into a digital business card and I want to give you guys a little bit more help on how to use Canva, I'm going to show you. So you can click on where it says elements, okay? So I'm going to go to elements and I'm going to go to shapes. And I want to go to all shapes because I'm going to look for a square, rectangle, either one. So I'm going to put this in here. You can drag it down and I want it across the bottom, so that's where I'm going to be able to put the information. Okay, so now I have this rectangle across the bottom. If you go to this corner, this little square right here, it gives you the color. So you can change it to any colors that you want. You want blue, you want pink, you want purple, the possibilities are endless. I'm just going to turn it white. The other cool thing is if that's like really strong for you, you can go up in this corner, in this transparency box, and you can make it a little bit more of kind of like a see-through banner. Then I would click on my logo and move it down here. And you see how it's really faded, right? Position, and you're going to move it forward. So now it's sitting on top of that layer. Okay. So your business card has what? It has a phone number, a website. Those are the things that are so crucially important when you're making a digital business card. And some people are like, am I going to be annoying if I put up my pictures with my phone number and my name? No, you're not, because this is the way that you get more business. While it's great to show off your beautiful artwork to your friends, it would be even greater to have a fully booked calendar and an easy way for people to find you. So I'm going to go up here to text. I'm going to click on the first one that says add a heading. And then you click on it and you drag it down here. I'm going to just add some text. Face painting by Heather. Call to book your next event, right? Okay, so it's really long, right? So it's obviously not going to fit in there. So you're going to go here to the size of the font, and I'll make it about a 16. And then here you go to the fonts, and look at how many fonts there are, guys. Literally hundreds. That's the coolest part about it. So pick a nice font that's easy to read. Please don't pick something that makes it really hard to read what you're trying to say, because you want to make it easy for people. So I'm going to put this brush stroke. Call Heather to book your next event. And face painting by Heather. Then I'm going to put my phone number for the company that books me. And also their website, because then they can find me. It's easy. Now I'm looking at this. If you look at this picture, I'm going to move this around. I want it a little bit closer. Also, the text is all black, and this has a blue logo and a light blue. So I might just want to play around with the colors of the font. Well, that's a little too bright. So maybe switch it to this blue that's in here. So I pick the color picker, and then I can just move it around till I find the desired color. You can make it a little darker if you want. And I like that because it matches with the logo, just like that. Then you unclick it, you can move it around, you can move it all the way to the side, you can add some stars, you can add anything you want to dress up this image. So say you wanted to add some stars, just type in stars. And look at all these amazing options, right? You could add stars as a background, but that's ugly, so I would just delete that. You can add a border if you wanted to really make this fancy and dress her up. I wouldn't suggest that. That makes it really busy. You can add just a little bit of twinkle in the background on both sides if you wanted to. And I would copy that and bring it on this side as well. Because, you know, who doesn't like sparkles? I always like sparkles. So see, I can add it right there. And if I wanted to even take it a step further and add some of these stars. So see, these stars are gray. If I want to keep them in the same family, that is already there for me. I would make them smaller. Maybe add a few stars right here just to draw some attention. And make a copy of it and put some on that side. Oops, sorry guys. Make them smaller. Maybe add some on that side if you want to. See? I would just add some fun. Now this becomes your digital business card. So you're probably saying, Heather, how did you get your logo to have a clear background? Because many of our logos, let me see, might look like this, right? Have a white background, and that doesn't look as cute on top of this picture. So there's a couple of things. In this format, it's called a JPEG. This format is called a PNG, which means it has a transparent background, okay? So whoever designed your logo, you're going to want to ask them for a PNG file of your logo, or you can go on Fiverr.com and you can hire somebody for $5 to remove the background off of your logo, or if you're savvy, you can put it into Photoshop yourself. So now that I have my digital business card done, then you want to keep this in mind. A business card should have a call to action. What is a call to action? A call to action is what you want people to do. This is what I want them to do. Call to book. So make sure that that's on there. Naturally, you don't want to put this in the middle, or you don't want to cluster your design. You want your design to be nice and clean. That's why I create this white space down here, leave a beautiful face visual, and then keep all the rest of the information down here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is you're going to go up here. This box is how you name your pictures, okay? So for SEO purposes, I'm going to name it Pretty Face Painting by Heather All-Star. And I know you're thinking, this is so long, but that helps because everything is in it. And then I'm going to save it as a JPEG, okay? So that is the best file size for sharing, most compatible with Facebook. So I'm going to save it as a JPEG. And once it's saved, guys, it is ready to post. So since I'm on a Mac, I have to change it over to the thumbnail so I can grab it. Once you have it ready, then you can use this picture to promote on forums, to promote on local mom groups, to promote it on your business page. That way, if someone sees it and comes across it and loves it, if they right-click and save this picture, it has all your information on it, which helps make you faster and easier to find. Now look at this, guys. Oh goodness, I put the wrong phone number. I put an extra digit right there. So before I post it, I would fix that naturally. But this was a tutorial on how to show you how to use Canva to create some really fast, impressive graphics. And even if you don't want to put your full event information or your phone number because you think it's tacky, just put your name, your watermark. You want people to know where your art is from, and you want it to know it can be traced back to you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this fast and easy tutorial on how to use Canva to make a quick and easy digital business card. I look forward to posting more tutorials and videos on how to use Canva, and I hope you like this marketing minutes. So have a great week, friends, and I will see you soon.